दोस्तों, वेलकम टू लर्निंग. हैप्पी गणेश चतुर्थी. Ganesh, also known as Vinayak or Ganpati, is one of the best known and most worshipped deities in the Hindu pantheon. His image is in the form of a human with an elephant head. Ganesh is widely revered as the remover of all obstacles, the patron of arts and science, and the Deva of intellect and wisdom. As the god of beginnings, he is honored at the start of rites and ceremonies. The arrival of Ganesh to earth from Kailash Parvat is celebrated as Ganesh Chaturthi, also known as Vinayak Chaturthi, every year. The festival celebrates Lord Ganesh as the god of new beginnings and the remover of obstacles, as well as the god of wisdom and intelligence. The festival ends on the 10th day after start, when the idol is carried in a public procession with music and groups chanting, then immersed in a nearby body of water, and the ending day is known as Anant Chaturdashi. Mumbai is also known as the city of Ganesh. It is the most famous city for celebrating Ganesh Chaturthi. In Mumbai alone, around 150,000 statues are immersed annually. Also, it holds the record for the largest idol of Ganesh every year in the area Lal Bagh Chowk, Mumbai. Today, we are going to present the history of Lal Bagh. Lal Bagh Cha Raja, the king of Lal Bagh, often used for Ganpati. Lal Bagh Cha Raja is the most famous Sarvajanik Ganpati kept at Lal Bagh, a prominent locality in Mumbai, in the state of Maharashtra, during the Ganesh Chaturthi festival. The idol is kept for public display for 11 days. Thereafter, it is immersed in the Arabian Sea on the day of Anant Chaturdashi. Lal Bagh Cha Raja is famous not just for being one of the largest and oldest Ganpatis in the city, but also for being a Navsacha Ganpati, which means the one who fulfills all wishes. Over 1.5 million people visit this Ganesh Pandal daily during the 10-day Ganesh festival. A mandal was set up to look after the preparations of Ganesh Chaturthi. Lal Bagh Cha Raja Mandal was set up in 1934 in the Peru Chawl. The mandal, formerly known as Sarvajanik Ganesh Utsav Mandal Lal Bagh. In this chawl, mostly the vendors and fishermen lives, but due to some internal problems, the chawl was shut in 1932. To get rid of all such kinds of problems, the fishermen of that chawl set up a Ganpati in that place. With the consistent efforts and support of the local councillor and the local residents, the problem gets resolved. As the fulfillment of their wish, the fishermen and traders established the Ganesh. On 12 September 1934, the idol was dressed in the customary fashion of fishermen. Since the day, this idol has become popular. The Lal Bagh Cha Raja Ganpati has been organized by the Kambali family for over 8 decades. The father of head, Ratnakar Kambali, was a sculptor of idols. He began organizing the idol for Lal Bagh Cha Raja in 1935. After his demise, his eldest son, Venkatesh Kambali, over and after his death, Ratnakar started designing the idol, who is presently the head of Kambali family. There are two types of queues to reach and see the idol: Navasachi line and Mukh Darshanachi line. The Navasachi line is for people who want to get their wishes fulfilled. In this line, you get to go on the stage, touch the feet of Lal Bagh Cha Raja. The second line is meant for Mukh Darshan, that is, to get a glimpse of Lal Bagh Cha Raja from some distance without going onto the stage. Offerings and prasadam from the daily prayers are distributed from the pandal to the community, and after 10 days, the Lal Bagcha Raja is immersed into the Arabian Sea, leaving the people with teary eyes. At the time of immersion, people often say Ganpati Bappa Morya, Pudhya Varshi Laukarya. It is a Marathi verse meaning, "Oh Ganpati, my Lord, return soon next year." And that's all about the Lal Bagcha Raja. We hope that you liked this video a lot. If you have any query regarding this topic, you can ask us in the comment sections. If you love this video, please like it, comment us and share as much as possible. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.